Yo, what's going on YouTube? Sorry for the delay of videos recently. Luckily nobody is in the house right now, so I'm in the clear to record, finally. You know how I made a tutorial on how to make a Roblox shirt? I just watched a stupid video from 2016 to do that, but I have found a new actual working way to do it. So, what you want to do is open up paint.net, you open the template file. I have the 2016 one. Just because, I don't know, I just like the old school one. Just like you saw me do in the last video, you want to, oh crap, there we go. You want to hold control, like, you want to equip this rectangle select, and just like get all that into blue while holding control. Control is so that you can do basically all of them at the same time. And what I like to do is after doing this one, I delete it, and then I go back to holding control, and boom, delete. Alright, simple as that. Boom, boom, boom. Alright, now that that's done, you want to get your background off the internet. You want to add a new layer, move layer 2 to the bottom, and then you want to get rid of this background just by clicking the check mark beside it, and then you want to paste your image. Looks like it got rid of my image. Alright, so let's go find it again. Blue background. Boop boop boo doo 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 boop boo boo boo. Sorry if it takes a little long to load. My internet is pretty bad, and whenever I'm recording, it just seems to get even worse. I completely apologize for that. 3, 2, 1. All right, I actually like this one. This is a JPEG. And now, after you have found your background, you want to right click it and then click copy image. Am I recording? Yes. Alright, so ignore that from earlier. You want to go back to paint.net. Alright. And now I can close out of that. And yes, I was watching a YouTube video of my username is this. And this was a test that I did, well, that I ran before doing this video. Alright, now you want to paste the image, and then you want to click keep canvas size. Now this is completely finished. If you want, you can add text. What I'm gonna do is add KyogreGang 2018. KyogreGang 2018. Boom. Bada bing, bada boom. And this is how you do it. Yes, boom, boom, boom. Actually, I am going to go right here. Hopefully this pops up. Alright. Special. Alright. That's not showing up. Alright, that's basically all, and then you remove this background, and then you go to File, Save As, and if you want to post this on a Roblox group or your Roblox profile, you see Save As type right here. You want to click that. PDN stands for paint.net. So you don't want to